A very warm welcome to our principal, Dr. P.K. Brahmat, and our TPO head, Professor A.R. Darji, respected faculties from GEC Dahod. On behalf of our college, I welcome all the other faculties who have joined this session from various universities. So today we have gathered here for an expert talk which is organized by GEC Dahod. And I would like to introduce our guest of honor, who is a soft skill trainer, a corporate coach, and an advisor in Government of India under the TriFed department. He has imparted training to more than 15,000 students in their career growth, and he is none other than Shailesh Thakkar sir. So I welcome Shailesh sir. Please have a clap for him, right? And our today's topic is Chanakya in You. And now, without wasting much of time, I would request our principal to say a few words, and then we'll keep start with our program. So yes, principal sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Audible. Good morning.
Morning.
All of you.
Good morning.
So today we are lucky to have our expert family member, and he has been contributing since long time. He has contributed. He has been contributing us to uplift our campus placement. So our college is grateful to him. Today we have this eminent speaker with us, and topic is very appropriate. Chanakya in you. If we follow the Chanakya Niti, so we'll get the solution of each and every problem of our life. Chanakya Niti, then we can say Bhagavad Gita, Mahabharata, Ramayana. So these all granthas, they are very, very useful in uplifting our life. At the same time, that will give the solution, that will boost up us to get rid of all the problems which we are facing through our life. So without taking much time, we have our respected, honorable and Prabhu Swarup, Shailesh Thakkar sir. So please continue your session, sir. Welcome you in this particular program. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Please.
sir.
Yes, sir. Now I hand over to Shailesh sir to further take over the session.
Thank you, Nista. Namaste to all and good morning to all the participants who have joined. First of all, I am very much thankful to GEC Dahod, especially Principal Sir Brahmat sir, and the family management of the college. Definitely the students also. They have a special love for me, and I have a different feeling for this college. It's a God's blessing that I am the instrument in supporting the institute's mission. And so when this epidemic or pandemic came, actually, in fact, we had planned out a PEP session there, but then it was continuous interactions that we finally worked out this Zoom interaction. We had a PEP session few days back. And I would just give you what made me to think on this topic. Okay. But then I'm really thankful to the management and principals of GEC Dahod, who have always shown readiness to whatever good ideas that generate in my PEP family. Because PEP family, we are a family of 50 students and working professionals who are working for the mission of empowering youth. So thank you, and God bless all the members of GEC Dahod family. Now, when this pandemic was declared, and I mean in real sense pandemic, initially 4-5 days we thought it's a vacation, and we were enjoying it. But after few days, we found it is, eating away. And fear of unknown started in everybody's mind, whether it was a professor, or professionals, or even students, what is going to happen next. And there were, you must have known, there were many cases of house violence, depressions, divorces, But I'm so proud that we PEP family got engaged in a lot of activities, and we came out with this all Zoom training and all, and my PEP family has empowered all of us. We together have empowered. Now, why Chanakya? I met Dr. Radhakrishna Pillai, I mean, conversations on phone and all, the author of Chanakya in You and the corporate Chanakya. And in fact, I have been telling all students all the time to read Chanakya series published by Radhakrishna Pillai. Motivated from Radhakrishna Pillai's speech and trying to relate it with the academicians, because you will feel proud that why academicians I have chosen, because I will come to that in the next. I found that post-pandemic, whenever lockdown is open, the role and responsibility of all of us will change. And the responsibility and role of the faculty and academicians would be quite different. And only those who would be ready for the changes would survive. And the changes are going to be 360-degree changes. So I am not an expert of Chanakya, to be very frank with you. To know Chanakya, it requires one birth. But through the interpretation of Dr. Radhakrishna Pillai, to whom I am following, and listening his speech on YouTube, so I got one hint as to why we should not have something on academicians, how an academicians get motivated, because it's very difficult. See, students get motivation from teachers and professionals and mentor and all, but who will bother for the academicians? They have multitasking role, but then who will bother about? In fact, they are also insecure. So I worked out some nitis of Chanakya on teacher, and worked out planning to share with all of you, and so this effort. Okay, and my effort is through this presentation, I want my academicians, my faculty members to get motivated and get ready for the situation which is going to come after another 30 days or for the years to come, because they shall also require an empowerment. So, who is Chanakya? Let us listen a small audio on Chanakya. It's of course definitely difficult to know Chanakya. Chanakya urf Kautilya urf Vishnugupta. ये तीनों उनके नाम थे. But what he was, let us listen the audio, the next slide. It's a small audio.
Chanakya, who was he? Born in the 4th century BC in India, Chanakya was also known as Vishnugupta and Kautilya. Through the centuries, scholars have described Chanakya as a rare mastermind who became an expert in a varied and specialized fields like management, economics, politics, law, leadership, governance, warfare, military tactics, accounting systems, and several others. The 6,000 sutras of Kautilya's Arthashastra have been classified into 15 books, 150 chapters, and 180 topics by Chanakya himself. He was responsible for bringing down the Nanda dynasty and establishing his able student Chandragupta Maurya on the throne as the emperor. Hence, he is called the Kingmaker. He is also credited with masterminding the defeat of Alexander in India, who was on his march to conquer the world. As a political thinker, he was the first to visualize the concept of a nation for the first time in human history. During his time, India was split into various kingdoms. He brought them all together under one central governance, thus creating a nation called Aryavart, which later became India. He documented his lifelong work in his book Kautilya's Arthashastra and Chanakya Niti. For ages, rulers across the world have referred to the Arthashastra for building a nation on sound economics based on spiritual values. Arthashastra, when literally translated, means scripture of wealth, but it contains knowledge about every subject under the sun. It's the knowledge of wealth and the wealth of knowledge.
Chanakya was not only his king's best mantri, but he was a politician. He was a strategist. He was a leader. He was a salesman. He was a saint. He was a sadhu. He was a researcher. It was a typical multitasking person. But top of it, he was a teacher. He would love to call himself as a teacher, then guru, then mentor, but first a teacher. With that teacher background of Chanakya, we go ahead to focus on learning from him as what a teacher be, how a teacher be successful, what the role, because teachers are the God-sent missionaries. Only with a God's blessing only one can become teacher. Of course, these days we have different connotation of teacher, but it is said that teachers are sent by God and that birth is for the society. So let us see this pious profession. Before that, just know me, just 1 minute. I would like to give a background. Next slide. I am connected with many colleges, and I have about 37 years of blended experience of industry and grooming. My major role has been an advisor with travel ministry, a joint CEO scope, CEO at one of the Bikaner company, and vice president. My industry exposure was for 20 years, wherein last my industry association was as a vice president of Ashok Organic. And since last 17 years, I am an education and corporate coach. As a part of it, I am an advisor with travel ministry as a Trafford, and worked with Scope when Jayanti Madam was an commissioner education. Okay, now knowing this, now why next this thing? Why Chanakya? And when I say Chanakya in you means I am using Chanakya as an adjective, Visheshan. To have a Chanakya in yourself means what? Means that all of us have strategic mind. All of us have shrewdness. All of us have smartness. We are kingmaker, because Chanakya's label was a kingmaker. He would love to be a kingmaker rather than a king. So all of us do have Chanakya in us. And herein I am giving Chanakya in you as an adjective. When I'm talking of Chanakya in you, Chanakya in the faculty members, in the teachers. Of course, we as a student also, we have a Chanakya in us. As a Vidyarthi, we used to say a lot of things on the Vidyarthi also. How a Shishya be? But then how a Guru be? That is the theme of this presentation. So next. Yeah, when we talk of a Chanakya, what does it represent? Rather, what the word represents. So first and foremost is teacher. Second is leader. Third is visualizer. These are his three USPs. Now, when I talk of teacher, a role of mentor and a kingmaker. You will always find, whenever, see, we all are faculty members. Under us, many of businessmen have developed, many of the smart executives have developed, of course, and we all faculty members are always feeling proud that Phalana and Phalana was working under me or was studying under me. He might be having Mercedes and we may not be having, but we feel proud because, of course, we would like to have good money and all. But a basic DNA of teacher is that he creates king. He is a kingmaker. He may not be a king. You may not be a CMD of any company, but you must have created many CMDs under you. And we feel proud of it. We teachers, academicians feel very proud, and that is our main role. The other role is mentor. You develop it, the qualities that you have, you try to get it transformed, percolate in your students. Of course, these days the typical teachers are different. But what Chanakya says that a teacher is a mentor and a kingmaker, and he depicted, he implemented. Okay. Second, Chanakya is the leader, an arbitrator, and the counselor. He was the best consultant. Arbitrator, he used to have a sort of meeting and setting with the enemies, and you know the serial of the Chanakya, how smartly he was trying to adjust the different camps. Visualizer, yes, strategy, all of us know that he was a perfect strategist and a planner. So when I talk of Chanakya in you, matlab, you can be a mentor, in you have a kingmaker ability, in you have ability of arbitration, in you and your subtle manner, you are doing a lot of counseling also. In you have a strategy planning and also a good planner. So when I talk of academician being a Chanakya means all academicians have these 6 qualities. Okay. Now, what are the pillars, on which the teachers and the fundamental is based? Fundamental base of Chanakya identity is teacher. The Shastras and the stories says that Chanakya himself would always love to be called as a teacher. If somebody says that you are a mantri of your king and all, they say, no, basically I'm a teacher. And he used to love his label as a teacher. Then all those strategies and the strategic person and other thing, politicians, etc. But then the base identity of Chanakya was always a teacher, and he was so proud of it. Okay, now let us see what are the, based on the philosophy, what he has said. He has generated, because he was a teacher, he has generated some points, some USP of a teacher on which this everything depends on the foundation of a teacher. Okay, next slide. So there are 7 pillars of the teacher. He says that if you want to be a successful teacher, here a teacher means a faculty member. We all are teachers. On us lies the society's upliftment. Society's a lot of things is dependent. Like doctor plays an important role. In fact, teacher plays a more important role than a doctor. Because teacher create doctors, teacher create engineers. At the same time, teacher creates mindset. Okay, so there are 7 fundamentals of a successful teacher, and this is based on the principles of Chanakya and Radhakrishna Pilay's notion and his interpretation of Chanakya. It's very difficult to interpret Chanakya in real sense, but whatever limited resources that Radhakrishna Pillai had, because he so 6,000 sutras, that too written in Sanskrit. From there, he has tried to convert this into for making a common people like us. हम तो वही चीज लेंगे जो हमारे लिए अच्छी है, तो हम उसके बहस में जाए बिना, let us understand what he thought of a teacher, and a passionate teacher, a fundamental DNA of a teacher be? Okay, there are 7 pillars. Next. Pillar number 1, Aniviksky. Anivisiki. Now, Aniviksky is what? It's a Sanskrit word. Aniviksiki. Aniviksiki. Anviksiki. Aniviksiki is a Sanskrit word. Now, this is the foundation of a teacher. What is that? Teacher is supposed to pose question. A teacher who cannot create question on anything. Basic DNA of teacher is posing question. And the other, many would not be liking it. Entertaining questions. Again, this is Chanakya's principle. It is not Shailesh Thakker's conclusion. Chanakya says that a teacher has to be a research mindset. आप देखो, हमारी education system is based on Chanakya. And you see all the universities are insisting on having PhDs. Now the definition of PhD has gone to dog, that's another thing. But you know, whether it is AICT, whether it is UGC, whether it's your university, research is given prathmikta, importance. Even Prime Minister himself said that we want more researches, because this is the fundamental of any education system is research. And research comes from where? From posing questions on certain typical things also, you know. But sorry to say, even these days engineers also have lost any reason to raise a question. They forget it. They cram it up. And that's why you will find there are few engineering MBA students who are going in for research. Reason may be any, because then after money also matters. Okay. But then what has happened? This generation has lost asking questions ability. Why? Even the faculty doesn't like somebody asking questions. So fundamental. Now, when we talk of this pandemic, who will survive? Me as a professional, me as a teacher, or we all as a faculty member? We need to first of all change our philosophy from all those things to this research mindset. Somehow, I don't know. There are many PhDs in this today's fraternity also. Non-PhDs like me also. But then fundamental policy should be, we should develop somebody. एक लड़के को आप PhD करने के लिए तैयार करो, और not PhD in typical sense, PhD and research sense, you know. Have one research associate and आप कुछ नया कराओ, questions pose करो, what about this, and give it to one student, you know. Then after giving, your duty doesn't end here. Then is the next slide where your duty goes, you know. Supposing you have picked up one student, you know, then you need to mentor it. Now, mentor is a very, very simple word, but difficult. Because supposing if I take any student and motivate him to do research, then I cannot just guide him on the topic, but then I need to understand his family, his requirement, financial requirement. See, basically, few ladke log nahi karte research because then they are worried about money. And they always feel there is nobody. हम teacher role क्या करते हैं? हम college में जाके उसको 2-4 guide दे देंगे, ये कर लेंगे वो. No. Our role goes as a mentor also. Now, when we talk of mentoring, it is not that you become a PhD guide only. PhD guide, you know, everybody knows the definition of a PhD guide. But what Chanakya says that if you are motivating anybody for doing research, then you are trying to create a family. So you need to go into his family detail and ensure his primary requirements. Somehow usko madad karo. Mentoring is what? Mentoring is, imagine yourself to be in his position. Today you are a faculty after 5 years of your PhD. Imagine what you were as a student, and so try to know his requirement. What are requirements are? First of all information converted into knowledge. That we are all are doing. As a PhD guide, we all are doing. But provide emotional support and role modeling. Emotional support बहुत जरूरी है. Now emotional support बोलने का सरल है, but when very difficult to give. So give emotional support and explore career and help setting goals. उसका career के लिए मदद करो ना कि कैसे करेंगे. अरे कह रहे हो सब lines are coming. कह रहे हो please remove this line. Yeah. Explore career. Supposing he is doing PhD, a guide under you, उसको career guidelines भी देने की आपकी जिम्मेदारी है. May not be that all the time he may become a professor or a teacher or a lecturer. But then with a PhD in his hand, which research institute he can go into, something, you know. So a guide need to be a mentor, a PhD guide to be a mentor, and that is an ideal position of a teacher described by Chanakya. What is the third pillar? The third pillar is, yeah, Devarshi, third pillar, next page. Leader. Now, it's everybody would love to be a leader. And the definition of leader is, Maro order mane, mera order mane to main leader. No. Supposing we as a faculty member, I remember some instances in my professional life also, and in my colleges also, you know, when I was the dean with ICFI, and when I was the dean with the Sanskrit School of Business Management, I always wanted that students should come on time and faculty should come on time. Our time was 9 a.m. So what I used to do? वो time पे biometric बैटर कुछ नहीं था. You know what I used to do? I used to go at 8:30 a.m. really chastely. I would do it for 21 days. Okay. Then on the 22nd day, I would pick up all those latecomers by closing the gate of the college. I could do it in my life. What happened, you know? It started, discipline started percolating. What we already shout ना, आज के लड़के का attitude खराब है, ये खराब है. Attitude खराब नहीं है. उनको सुधारने में we have to play a role as a leader, and that can only happen if we lead by an example. If I go at the 10:30 and say, oh, I am the dean, मेरे को तो कभी भी आ सकता हूँ. Okay. Then when a dean himself does that, the faculty member भी ऐसे बोलेंगे ना, क्या फर्क पड़ता है. But when a dean, though he is having that perquisite, see, we take coming late as a perquisite, which goes with the designation. No, it is not perquisite. See, if a teacher has to be a leader, then he has to lead by an example. Whatever he expects students to do it, he has to do it. And see the result. You will become the beloved. Because Chanakya says that if a teacher adopts these 7 principles, he will not give a justice to his own status, own family, own reputation and money, but also give a justice to the Almighty for which purpose he has been sent here. Bhagwan bhi khush ho jayega. Okay, as a teacher, you are doing your role. Rather than shouting on students, how about first of all doing the same and getting it done? I have done it in my life, in my professional life, as well as in my academic life. Okay. Then empowering and replicating. See, basically when we come to know that a few students are weak, support them. And why can't you? Suppose you are a successful leader, you are a successful teacher. Why can't you imagine of replicating? Suppose Mr. Bhatt is very successful in A quality. Why can't he develop another Bhatt, either in his faculty or in some student? So if a colleague is there, we can say we should not fear of competition. Competition तो होना ही है, वरना भी होना है, वैसे भी होना है. But if you try to create a replica of yours, you have done a duty as a teacher. Okay. Third would be fighting for the right cause. Now, right cause बहुत ही subjective है. DA नहीं मिला, shouting किया, is that a right cause? I don't know. But what is the right cause? Right cause which is for the society. When today's pandemic demand that we have to groom our students, come what may, with the social distancing not possible, तो कैसे हम लोग ने Zoom चालू कर दिया? You know, all we all have, because that's a typical DNA of the education system, that we need to do that. भले अच्छा हो, खराब हो, सही हो, right direction, that's another thing. But we are fighting for the right cause, and right cause is today's pandemic के सामने बच्चों को help करना. Okay. और रिजल्ट फाइनल ईयर के स्टूडेंट है, उसका क्या भविष्य रहेगा उनको. So ये सब चीज हम जब करते हैं ना, then yes, we are true leader. You cannot be, देखो लड़ाई अकेला एक से नहीं लड़ी जाती है. If a dean is fighting, you need to support if he is fighting for the right cause. And the right cause की definition is not for your own cause. हमारा हक के लिए, टीए के लिए, डीए के लिए या इंक्रीमेंट के लिए नहीं है, for the society. And imagine the third role, leader. Beautiful. If that is done, you are a perfect teacher. Next, the fourth pillar is a manager. Now, here the word manager is what, not a typical manager designation. You know, वो तो ठीक है, वो तो कोई भी manager बन जाता है. But here the manager is a person who manages resources and manages people. You know, supposing I am a lecturer in a college, you know, I am reporting to dean. Okay. Now, मैं बोलूँगा मेरा क्या मैनेज करना, कुछ नहीं करना. ओहो. For me as a lecturer, I need to manage people, that is my students, first of all, nicely. And whatever resources are available, my room is not having LCD projector. Whatever resources are available, first of all, I will try to convince my management for these resources. Whatever little is available, then I will try to manage in that. Supposing college is not having the fund because we have rules and regulation, then we can always get some sponsorship, we get something, some support from the system. We can put up the case to the university. If we are talking of GTU, then we can talk. And supposing, I have faced many universities, many, they are doing a lot of things, When they call me for a placement empowerment program, they say we don't have a budget, so we will not call. But there are certain colleges who try to manage it. जो इधर का fund, उधर का fund लाके, they give. And see, I am on a mission. I am not for money. But then घोड़ा घास से दोस्ती करेगा, खाएगा क्या? Number one. Number two, कि अगर if I start giving advices free of cost, it has no value. And I am feeling that. I am feeling that right across इतने दिनों से, But that doesn't mean I am a good manager or a good teacher. But then I know this situation, a manager. So there are some managers, teachers in many colleges. Lecturer doing a management of people management, convincing students. They may be rogue, they might be arrogant, they may not be ready, but still lecturer ho ya professor ho, they are trying their best and managing people and managing resources. See, we may not be having all the resources, especially when we are talking about government colleges. We don't have all the resources in our hand. So we cannot sit fold-handed say कि भगवान करेगा वो होने दो. But yes, there are some good teachers who are real manager. They are managing their resources so nicely. और तो कुछ होवे ना होवे, ऊपर वाला खुश होगा कि they are doing duty as a missionary sent by God. Okay. So a guy who has that angle of people management and resource handling would survive. I tell you, in the days to come. Next, fifth pillar is, oh, beautiful, it's an alliance creator. Now, some may argue, and in our government college, what sort of an alliance? In our government, we have a feeling. No, in our private university, we are locked out by a lot of ifs and buts and this and that, But you as a lecturer can think of having some tie-ups. We do it when we are forced to do it. See, the difference between is doing it when we are forced to do it. But imagine if you consider that my university, my college is not working well, financially is not working well. How about having some alliances, despite limitations? Alliances with an individual who can come there, empower your students, vagera, vagera, vagera. Alliance with an industry who can support in a lot of resource management. How we can, although it may not be in your typical KRA, but it is in the KRA sent by God. And this is the 5th KRA, alliance creation. Second would be dissociation with a nuisance element. And in education, there are terrible nuisance elements. We keep mum. We tolerate it, but one step ahead. An ideal teacher, if he cannot do anything, has to at least dissociate with such nuisance elements, creating nuisance in the society by instigating students. You see, JNU में क्या है? हो रहा है ना? Are those teachers? No, they are not teachers. They are not faculty members. They are not as per the definition of Chanakya. Why it could happen in all those many colleges where they create. So without the support of faculty member, it cannot happen. So we have to dissociate. उसमें हिम्मत चाहिए. मम तो रहेंगे. We may not join, but we have to dissociate. And एक step आगे, revolt if possible. That's a teach. आज देखो. I don't want to say a section of saints also revolting on the death of some saints. So same can happen with the faculty also. When certain colleges are harboring these nuisance elements, so why can't all faculty members come together and dissociate? Okay. And of course, we have to take stand. Normally, 90% of us, we don't take stand. No, it's not in case of teacher and all. Normally, our Indian culture is such. But as a teacher, we have to take a stand. Because you are a role model. आपके पीछे पीछे सोसाइटी आ रही है. आप जैसे करेंगे वैसे सोसाइटी होगी. Okay. Yes. So that is the 5th pillar of the teacher. Next, 6th pillar. Beautiful. Where it's a सबका काम की बात बोल रहा हूँ मैं. Upskilling. You need to continuously learn and unlearn. Learn and unlearn. I remember when I joined ICFI, those days PPTs were very new. Lesson plan were new. And blackboard teaching was going on 2 years. I'm talking about 2007. But then I was not tuned to this PPT learning, PPT teaching. I learned PPTs and started teaching. I made a faculty member with it. And I tell you, those faculty members, kind faculty members, young faculty members, were motivated to teach me, जिसको हम reverse mentoring करते हैं, वो faculty होते हैं, आपके यहाँ होते हैं. Only thing is, I need to have that attitude. So because of that attitude of learning, my faculty member did reverse mentoring. I learned a lot from my faculty members. Now ये mentality हमको लेनी है. हम बन गए, मैं PhD बन गया. Why should I learn from anybody else? Learning is a continuous process, and you will need to upskill every now and then till you die. Okay. Second would be empower self. हम अपने आप को empower नहीं करेंगे, हम बच्चों को क्या? We need to empower ourselves on all the parameters required in the society. Okay. Upskilling is the call of the day. You need to, after ये 1.5 महीने में, I don't know how many faculties members have upskilled, but ये तो पक्का खातरी है कि we all have learned this technique of Zoom training, online training, online paper checking, online questions, and something is good here. It's good. We need to, because आने वाले दिन में अभी देखो classroom teaching, we don't know what's going to happen, but nothing, it will not be the same as it was. Pakka. So all those faculty members who have not participated in a Zoom training, Zoom planning, Zoom discussion, anything, immediately आप अपने डीन को बोल दीजिए, मेरे को सिखा दीजिए, लड़के को बोलिए सिखा दीजिए, and do that. Empower yourself. अगर नहीं करोगे तो आने वाले दिन में जनवरी के बाद, मैं तो बोलो भगवान करे आपको कोई निकाला नहीं जाए, बट प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटी में से तो निकाला भी जाएगा. Okay, but those who are ready to learn, from their juniors, from anybody, would empower himself and survive. Okay, next. The seventh pillar is, of course, treasury mindset. Now that, again, that's a concept of Chanakya. The teachers are supposed to know the value of earth. हम हमारे यहाँ क्या है पता है, हम टीचरों को बोलते तेरे को पैसे से क्या मतलब है? अरे अरे भैया, सोसाइटी में अगर ये पैसे की कीमत नहीं समझेंगे तो वो पर्कुलेट नीचे कैसे किया जाएगा? I feel it's a typical, और गुजराती we all are known for, हमारे डीएनए में है value of earth. But teacher feel ashamed to ask for money, whether it's a salary or what, and they feel, और सामने वाले बोल देता है तुम तो मिशन पे, तुमको पैसे की क्या जरूरत है? अरे भैया खाना तो है. But ideal teacher understands the value of money. So when he understands his own money, he will understand the money requirement of his institute also, and help institute plan out cash flows, inflows and outflows, and understand its bottom line. ये हाँ उनकी जिम्मेदारी आ जाती है. पहले तो खुद की जिम्मेदारी, खुद के लिए तो समझता था अभी हम तो करेंगे ही करेंगे. तो टीचर हुआ तो क्या भूखे खाएंगे क्या? हम तो खाना तो वही है, पेट तो सबका सेम. Why teachers should not have a car? We should. तो वो तो खुद का हुआ, पर उसके बाद इंस्टीट्यूट का भी समझना जरूरी है. जहां हमसे रोटी मिलती है उनका पैसा कहाँ से आएगा, और हम सोचे ये भी मेरी जिम्मेदारी है. कई लोग बोलते हैं मेरे केआर में थोड़ी इंस्टीट्यूट का चलाना मेरी जिम्मेदारी थोड़ी है. अरे ये तो वो है, ये तो वो है ना, एडमिशन वाला एडमिशन लाएगा, ये वाला ये लाएगा. अरे आजकल देखो आप, काफी फैकल्टी को प्लेसमेंट में डाला जाता है, काफी फैकल्टी को एडमिशन नहीं लिया जाता. नथिंग रॉन्ग इन इट, nothing wrong in it, because if you want to survive in an industry, if you want to survive in an institute, you need to understand the value of money comes to admissions. कई लोग बोलते हैं मेरे को एडमिशन, मैं तो पीएचडी हूँ, मेरे को कोई मतलब नहीं, I am a faculty member. No, Chanakya says its onus lies on teacher itself. नहीं तो जॉबलेस हो जाएगा, क्या करेंगे? Third comes good governance. Governance is definitely it should be the hallmark of the teacher. Good governance should be the hallmark of a junior most lecturer से लेके डीन तक, क्योंकि इसके ऊपर इंस्टीट्यूट का सब रोल है. And good governance, I mean lot of things, it can go, I can speak a lot in detail, but that's a simple word. It's very simple word, and we all understand, but then we don't understand that it is my care. This is your care sent by God. Now these are the 7 pillars. 7 pillars of a successful teacher or faculty member. Described by Chanakya, not by Shailesh. Of course, interpreted by Radhakrishna Pillai and me, together, thoda about common sense and Radhakrishna Pillai's expertise on Chanakya. So I think these are the funda. I have liked these 7 pillars because somewhere I am also part of this system. I am not a PhD teacher, but I consider myself to be the teacher fraternity, where I feel I have to take up this mission plan and percolate empowerment in the societies through students. And I am trying a lot, and I endorse all the 7 pillars as my own KRA. Of course, I may not be in position to do it. That's another thing. But I definitely consider, though I am not a full-time and a faculty member of any college, but I am proud of being into the teaching fraternity, teaching industry, and where I feel through me, I can change society. I can build up an attitude. Okay. So now the next summary is physical, 5 vowels of a teacher. Next slide. Vowel, vowel, what is vowel? Vowel is an important connecting sentence of a syllabi. कोई भी word का important है vowel, it's a nuclei, center. So now what are the center? आपका कस कहाँ है teacher का? First is attitude. Now when I talk of an attitude, see AEIOU, attitude, emotional quotient, ID, id को, यहाँ ID मतलब वो ID card नहीं, id ego वाला id, attitude, emotional quotient, ID, opportunity and utopia. I will explain next in the next slide in detail. Next. slide please. Now attitude, when we these days we talk of lot of the negative attitude of the students, bogus attitude of the students, but nobody talks of the attitude of the faculty members. Are we positive? If we are not positive, then how we can percolate? Because see, our owners, हमारा जिम्मेदारी क्या है? हम सोसाइटी के टॉर्च बेरर हैं. If we are having negative, आप देखना, when you are passive ना, तो आपका स्टूडेंट भी बोले कि जाने देने, ये तो गाली देता है मेरे को. But when I have seen some energetic faculty members in my life, terrible energetic members, जो उनके KRA में नहीं है वो भी करते हैं. Lot of positive attitude खुद में होता है, ऑटोमेटिक स्टूडेंट्स भी दौड़ने लगते हैं. I have seen that. I cannot name, but at least I am lucky to have at least 10 to 12 faculty members in my life of the 100 colleges that I have traveled. That they are terrible positive, and their students are also positive. Now, what is positive attitude? Positive attitude is a state of mind that focuses on the bright side of life. देखो हमारे सबके जिंदगी में नेगेटिविटी तो है, बट पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड वही है जो हम ब्राइटर साइड ही देखें, नेगेटिव क्यों देखें? है तो है, बट हो ना, वो तो बोलते हैं ना, सूरज में आग है, चांद में दाग है, वो तो नेगेटिव वाला काम है. बट सूरज की आग हमको जिंदा कराती है, और चांद का दाग, उसकी ठंडक कवियों को मसाला देती है, ठंडक भी देती है, कवियों के लिए मसाला है चांद. तो why can't we see the positive side of everything? नेगेटिव साइड तो देखो है ही सबका है. एवरी प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में भी है, कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ में भी है, मोदी में भी है, सब में है. बट व्हाई कैंट यू सी द पॉजिटिविटी? अगर बट टीचर का सबसे पहला ये है उनका कि दे शुड खुद को हैव पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड एंड पर्कुलेट पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड, बिल्ड अप. सो स्टूडेंट में जिस दिन पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड आएगा ना, समाज बदल जाएगा. ओके, because see, teachers are the revolutionaries of समाज. कोई भी बड़े बड़े रेवोल्यूशन या तो साधु से हुए या तो शिक्षक से हुए. शिक्षक बड़ी जिम्मेदारी वाला जॉब है, और आजकल शिक्षक बहुत पैसिव हो गए, और इसलिए देखो क्या हो रहा है. जिस दिन शिक्षक ठान लिया ना कि मेरे को करना है, किसी की ताकत, मिलिट्री की भी ताकत नहीं है उसको ठान बंद कर देगी. बट देन ऑफ कोर्स आई एम टॉकिंग ऑफ पॉजिटिव की बात है, नेगेटिव तो नहीं. आज एजुकेशन का स्तर इतना नीचे आ गया है, सब लोग गाली देते हैं. कौन ठेका लेता है? AICT खुद लिखता है कि 65% of your engineers are unemployable and 50% of MBAs are unemployable. वो रिसर्च तो कर लिया, ठेका कौन लेगा? कौन इसको बदलने की कोशिश करेगा? Who will bail the cat? कोई नहीं. क्यों नहीं करेगा भाई? मेरा KRA कहाँ है? वो मेरा KRA नहीं है. मेरा KRA खाली 1 तारीख को पगार लेने का है. बट भैया, अगर ये सिस्टम को आपको जिंदा रखना है और आपको भी जिंदा रहना है, तो आप उसमें कुछ कंट्रीब्यूट करो, पॉजिटिविटी लाओ. यू नो, आई यूज्ड टू से कि अगर कॉलेजेस सिलेबस कंप्लीट करने में लगी है, एग्जाम लेने में लगी है, लेकिन किसी ने सोचा कि भैया ये जून जुलाई के बाद प्लेसमेंट तो होने वाला नहीं है. ओके, तो बच्चों को ऐसा कुछ कराए हुए कि उनका प्लेसमेंट होवे, भले KRA में नहीं, सिलेबस में नहीं, हमारे GTU के सिलेबस में नहीं, तो सो व्हाट? अरे मुफ्त में मिलता है, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का, मशीन लर्निंग का सब कोर्सेज मिलते हैं मुफ्त में. ऑनलाइन लड़के को लगा दीजिए, आप भी पढ़िए, उसको भी सिखाइए, आपको ऊपर वाला आशीर्वाद देगा, और वही आपका जिम्मा है. एज अ टीचर इट इज योर, बिकॉज सिचुएशन तो खराब है, रोते रहने का कोई मतलब. बट आपने कभी सोचा कि AICT या UGC ने तो मेरे को बोला नहीं, मैं क्यों करूं? उनकी जिम्मेदारी है सिलेबस बदलने की. 10 साल से कोई सिलेबस बदलते, मैं क्या करूं? हम तो छोटी कॉलेज हैं, यूनिवर्सिटी की छोटी कॉलेज है, हम क्या करें? व्हाट वी कैन डू? यू कैन प्ले अ रोल योरसेल्फ. मेनी कॉलेजेस आर प्लेइंग अ रोल. व्हाई कांट यू हैव आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, IoT, ये सब जो निश स्किल है, जो बहुत ही जरूरी है, और दैट्स गोइंग टू बी इंपॉर्टेंट आफ्टर 2 मंथ्स. जहां आपके लड़के को CGPA से कुछ नहीं मिलने वाले, और आप लग गए हो कोर्स खत्म करने में, सिलेबस खत्म करने में, क्योंकि दैट इज कंप्लायंस रिक्वायरमेंट, और हमको लगता है मैंने बहुत बड़ा काम. सॉरी, दैट इज नॉट अ राइट एटीट्यूड. इट्स अ एटीट्यूड, ओके, कंप्लायंस एटीट्यूड. बट आई टॉक ऑफ पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड, फोकसिंग ऑन द ब्राइट साइड. कि पेंडेमिक हुआ तो उसका ब्राइट साइड ये है कि खुलने के बाद ये होगा. मैं तो खुद तो एम्पावर करूं, खुद सीखूं और लोगों को सिखाऊं. Other thing is emotional quotient, E. Now, emotional quotient is very, it can be emotional intelligence also, but then it's a very subjective thing and everybody speaks loosely. मैं तो simple बोलता हूँ. Handling people, your seniors, juniors, colleague and the situation. That shows your emotional quotient. Because हम कई बार हमारी परिस्थिति में नहीं मैं सच्चा हूँ मान के कुछ कर देते हैं, ऐसा नहीं होता है. You need to understand the other person's डीन की रिक्वायरमेंट, डीन का सिस्टम, डीन का तकलीफ, द कलीग का तकलीफ, एंड देन यू टेक एन एक्शन, एंड देन एक्शन विल बी अ परफेक्ट एक्शन. बट ये इमोशनल आईक्यू तो लगभग 10 में से 8 में है, लेकिन ईक्यू 100 में से 2 में है, और यही तो टीचर की जिम्मेदारी है. टीचर इज अ सिंबल ऑफ एन इमोशनल क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज वी ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू कोड. मैं जब छोटा था स्कूल में हमारी एक टीचर हुआ करती थी, अभी भी मेरे को याद एक टीचर था, कि ऐसे क्लास में जाते थे तो कैन आई कम इन बोलते तो टीचर बोले एक मिनट डोंट. मैं तो घबरा गया, नहीं सी हाउ नाइसली शी taught that English difference between can and may. बोलते शैलेश you can come in but you may not. That was अभी 4th-5th स्टैंडर्ड में कहाँ बुद्धि होती है. फिर वहां खड़े रखते बोला कैन शोज एबिलिटी, मे शोज परमिशन, सो हैज फॉर यू टू से मे आई कम. और आज तक मेरे से मगज में से गए. टीचर का नाम डी सिल्वा. सो ये इमोशनल को हम लड़कों से इमोशनली अटैच होते हैं तो काम सरल हो जाता है. वी गेट इमोशनली एंटेंगल, नॉट इन द वे जो टीचर आजकल होते हैं वो नहीं. Emotional matlab understand to his level. Okay, and the last one is this is beautiful EIOU. Yeah, oh, id. Now ego. Now id एक ऐसी चीज है जब हम अपने आप को बड़ा मानते हैं. मेरी ये रिक्वायरमेंट देखो, मेरे को चाहिए यार, मेरे को आधे घंटे में चाहिए, मेरे को चाहिए यार, फालतू इट्स एन एनिमल का लॉजिक जो होता है, एनिमलिस्टिक होते हैं ना, वो है. हम ऐसे प्रोफेसर को देखते हैं जो इनका होता है, बट देन ईड एंड ईगो हमारे में नहीं आता है. नाउ कम्स द अपॉर्चुनिटी. देयर आर 2 टाइप्स ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी. वन इज अपॉर्चुनिस्टिक एंड अपॉर्चुनिटी सीकर. तक साधु और तकवादी. इट इज ऑलवेज बेटर टू सीक एन अपॉर्चुनिटी. अपॉर्चुनिटी में तो क्यों नहीं लेंगे, ढूंढेंगे, क्यों नहीं लेंगे. और हम टीचर है, अपॉर्चुनिटी कहाँ भी लगती तो करेंगे. चाहे इट कैन बी चेंज ऑफ जॉब, चाहे इट कैन बी टेकिंग ऑफ एन मोर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, चाहे इट कैन बिकमिंग लेक्चरर फ्रॉम प्रोफेसर एंड प्रोफेसर टू डीन, क्यों नहीं लेंगे. बट तकवादी है, तक साधु जो है, मतलब अपॉर्चुनिस्ट, लगे कि साला इधर कचरा उसका हुआ है, ला मैं बोल दूं और जरा मर्चा देके मैं ले लूं. That's it. So but the basic understanding of the teacher is, yes, we ought to be opportunity seeker. That's a vowel. That's a central theme of a teacher. Next, and the ultimate is utopia. Now, utopia is superb. Think of the best. Utopian situation बोलते नहीं आती, हम भी मानते. Whether we talk of an American education, whether we talk of a Chinese education, no education is at a utopia level, but we can think of it. What can be an ideal education system? And that is the जिम्मेदारी of a teacher, identity of a teacher. आज बड़े-बड़े जो भी टीचर हुए हैं, उनका identity, they are trying to think of an ideal education system. And in the process, see, nobody is perfect. But yes, we are on the way to perfection. हम रोड तो पकड़े perfection का, rather than बैठे रहे. So these are the fundamentals of a fundamental vowel. It's a nucleus. टीचर का न्यूक्लियस है, हृदय है, AEIOU. Because जैसे AEIO is हृदय of a syllable, so it's a हृदय of a teacher, a faculty member. Okay. Yes. Next, I hope I have given a justice to you, and I have tried my best, because मेरे को पहले तो I am so proud of being into teaching fraternity and teaching faculty. I'm so proud of it. Though I am not a PhD, but I'm so proud of it that it is this position God has given me that I can be instrument in bringing, changing life of even 10, So it's a great thing. But then I need to have such all these parameters and keep in mind. I would want many of you to take the central theme of this and imbibe this, and see. And I tell you, this has changed my life. It will change your life also. I only pray to Almighty that today whosoever faculty members have viewed this, let this be taken in a righteous spirit and help you generate your own identity after this pandemic and make you a worthy enough to contribute to the society. Thank you. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you. Thank you. Back to Nishta.
Yes, sir. So now I would like to request Ashmita to say a vote of thanks to all
Nishta, 1 minute. Nishta, 1 minute. If anybody has a question, I would love to have questions.
Yes, sir. Anybody in the session?
Yeah, we cannot conclude as such without questions and all. I would love to have a questions.
Okay, sir. If anyone is having any question, you can unmute yourself.
We are not in hurry. If they are
Yes.
in hurry, it's okay. But we are not in hurry.
We have a anyone there?
Question,
Jani sir, yes.
explaining
It's not audible.
ID, capital ID. So explain in detail what it's about.
Okay. Okay.
Lead.
Now, ID is basically id. It's a state of mind. It's a psychologist term. Id, ego, superego. All human beings are having 3 states of mind: id, ego, and superego. And id is the primary state of every human being. And this is done by a psychologist, analyzed years together, that humans are suffering from these 3 states of mind: id, ego, super. Or kahin na kahin in our life also, we are into superego. At times the ego, because we don't know the difference between self respect and selfishness, and swabhiman and abhiman. So id is a primary stage where we crave for the primary things. हम सेंटर में क्या रखते हैं पता है? हंगर, वो टिपिकल मेरे जीवन में ये 3 ही चीजें हैं और इसका बेस पे मैं चर्चा कर, तो दैट इज इट. इट्स अ साइकोलॉजिकल स्टेज. ओके, थैंक यू सर.
Yes, anybody else?
Yeah, I would love to have anybody's comment it was because how it was. I would love to your
Yes,
feeling.
type of
सुनने के बाद
feedback.
आपको क्या लगा?
Yeah, Shailesh sir, this is Dr. Amol Randive.
Oh yes, Amol, yes, Amol sir, yes sir.
Yeah, first of all, let me congratulate you for taking such a wonderful session. It's
Pleasure.
a very innovative session out of the textbook, right from your practical experiences, and I'm sure this will be a kind of a guiding torch for many faculties to look at the way delivery happens in classrooms.
Yes.
Sir, I also had this opportunity to work with you in the past, and I've seen you, especially you yourself, upgrading so much that I remember the way you used to be in 2008, and today you are a completely different person, equipped with so many things.
All because of you, sir. let me tell you and share with you that the faculty I told was this sir only. He was at that time 20 years, 22 years or 24 years of age. He's an IT faculty, and he supported me. He taught me, and it's a thanks to Amol sir. He's with Navrachana, and I know he's so passionate of his students. So whenever I used to say, I saw some professor. So yeah, he's one of those professors, a real professor on this earth with a mission. So Amol, thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. It's just that I'm trying to do my best to benefit students and the academic community in whatever way I can. I just have a small question for you. Since I've been teaching so many students in the past, off late, in the past about 5 to 7 years, I've come across this kind of a new, generation of students, which which come from a family business background or from an entrepreneurial background. And the issue with these kind of students is because they are not job oriented or job focused. They look at education from a very different perspective. They look at education from getting a sort of a degree where it gives them a leverage to get married in future, apart from applying the the concepts that they learn in classroom. So how does a teacher motivate these kind of students and make them focus on studies rather than looking at education only from a single lens?
Yeah, Amol sir, this is a very typical question, and not only faced by you, but faced by me also. But whatever little experience I have, and you have seen how I was handling some of the students, neo-rich students
Yeah.
in ICFI,
Yes.
you know some names also. What I think so, and what I adopt, it may not be a typical copybook style. I take interest in student, look into his background, knowing that he's a rich one. Knowing that he's a rich one,
Yeah.
I make it an effort of having a one-to-one conversation, and then see, everybody has a weakness. Everybody on this earth, even they don't have a weakness of money, but they have some other weaknesses.
True.
तो मैं क्या करता हूँ अपने गुजराती में, मैं क्या करता हूँ पता है, दुखती नस दबाता हूँ मैं। अच्छा कह रहा हूँ म्यूट करना, बाकी कोई जगह पे म्यूट नहीं है। तो मैं क्या करता हूँ पता है, दुखती नस दबाता हूँ। हर एक की दुखती नस होती है, बट दुखती नस लेने के लिए, जैसे मैंने अपने एक एग्जांपल दिया ना, यू हैव टू एक्ट एज अ मेंटर, यू हैव टू गो इनटू डिटेल। एट टाइम दे डोंट लाइक,
Yeah. True.
बट देन अगर मैंने झड़प लिया है, कर लिया है, तो मैं करके रहता हूँ, तो I somehow God has gifted me that पता नहीं God has gifted me या पता नहीं I have developed it, but I go into detail of such guys and try to understand, I have to catch up his one weakness and then multiply that weaknesses and make it a bigger one. वो Microsoft से वो बड़ा देखता है, बिलोड़ी का से देखता है, ये तेरा, and then I give him a need that you want to obey whatever I say, and it works out. This is one thing.
Okay.
And I that is only how, because हम उनको इकट्ठा करेंगे, भाषण देंगे, वो सब पहुंचता ही नहीं।
Yeah. True, sir.
एक तो टाइम पे आएगा नहीं, and you have seen there were 2 or 3 faculty members जो 9 बजे के बाद आएंगे, सीधी रिक्शा अंदर आएगी।
Yes, yes, I remember.
तो ऐसे लोगों को हम कैसे हैंडल किया था, हमने किया था। I'm so proud that Amol sir was part of my all this speech that I am doing it. He has witnessed that I have done all those things in ICFI. Correct, sir?
Yeah, absolutely, sir.
Yeah. So मेरे लिए तो ये फॉर्मूला है रिच लोगों को हैंडल करने की। मैं उनके पापा को नहीं मिलूंगा, क्योंकि यू रिमेम्बर एक एमएलए का दिकरा, एमएलए का दिकरा था, ठक्कर करके आया था अपने कॉलेज में पेपर चेक कराने के लिए। आई वांट टू ओपन द पेपर, आई वांट टू ओपन द पेपर।
Okay.
नाम नहीं देता हूँ, बट देन इसे कि मैं तो ये कर सकता हूँ, ये कर सकता हूँ, जया बेन ठक्कर मेरी पहचान वाली है, बट देन आई हैंडल इट कि भैया दिस इज एकेडमिक। तो वी हैव अ रेसिपी फॉर एवरीबडी। वो सो कॉल्ड नियो रिच के लिए भी रेसिपी है, और टीचर के पास सब दुखतीनेस होती है, बिलीव मी।
Yeah, absolutely.
But then they don't press it दुखतीनेस, बाकी दुखतीनेस टीचर्स आर एक्सपर्ट। एंड आई टेल यू अमोल सर, आप तो इतने परफेक्ट थे, एक एक लड़के की दुखतीनेस आपको बताती, इवन आपके फैकल्टी मेंबर को भी आपको बताती।
Yeah. So it is just required to get into the Chanakya mode of handling.
Perfect. And that's why this Chanakya.
Absolutely.
So nice.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much for
Nice for joining this.
Yeah. And I look forward for such wonderful sessions in the future. Thank you.
Always, sir. Always I shall be in touch with you and my team. And sir, you must be proud that my team is there on the screen. Lot of many, my team is also helping me in administering all this thing. I have a team of IT students.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Yeah, ये हमारा कैरव है, देवर्षि सिग्मा इंस्टीट्यूट की है, कैरव है, जीसी दाहोद का है, वो सब मेरे जूम के, हम लोग सब जूम वगैरह सीख रहे हैं साथ में। Together we are learning Zoom and webinar and all, So you have rightly observed that yes, I have changed. I have not changed, upskill.
Absolutely.
Upskill. Change
to a great extent, and to a great extent. I mean, not just by a few.
And sir, you will be happy to know that I am the pioneer of the visual resume on this.
Yeah, of course, I do know that, sir.
तो वो आपके जमाने में आपने मेरे को सब उंगली पकड़ के सिखाया है। So and I have gone to, so nice, sir. Nice to have.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yes. Any other question? Anybody?
Any questions?
Okay. So yeah, Nishtha, your role.
Yes, now I would like to request Ashmita for the vote of thanks of this
Okay.
session.
Yes. So good afternoon, everyone. Honorable Principal P.K. Brahmbhatt, sir, our most valued invited guest, Mr. Sailesh Thakkar, respected faculties of various universities, and all my dear friends. It's my proud privilege to propose the vote of thanks for today's expert lecture. I, on the behalf of Government Engineering College Dahod and the entire volunteer team, extend a hearty vote of thanks to Mr. Sailesh Thakkar for giving us the valuable insights on the book Chanakya and You. It was definitely a wonderful, enlightening session for all of us. Thanks to all of the people who directly or indirectly helped us to make this event successful. Last but not the least, thanks to all of you for giving us your valuable time in this period of quarantine. We hope all of you have a safe quarantine. Till then, stay home, stay safe. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all of you, and pleasure's
Thank you.
mine. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
Bye bye, sir. Bye bye.